Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're in this CRS Foster and producing in Yarralumla. So this used to be part of the brickworks. So this is probably where they cut something and give it to the brickworks. Hope you guys are doing well. I did have to wait here for so I did pull up. I walked around for a bit and I was trying to find entrance. As soon as I found an entrance, a white ute, tinted windows pulled up like maybe a bit further away, and I had to go. I walked away and waited down somewhere for maybe 30 minutes. But now I'm in. People are playing cricket over there. Just gonna see a car pulled up. It's a bit of an open area, which sucks, but if we're quick enough, we should be fine. Oh shit. That's not a good start. That is not a good start. So yeah, hope you guys are doing well too. This place is pretty cool at the moment. Just gonna take photos while I do it here too, because I don't want to be here for long. Especially when a white ute pulled up. Let's go do some photos too. This is not a bad spot. I'm surprised it's not been damaged. Come on, you piece of shit, let's go. Thank you. Alright, let's go to the next one. Running with a big ass camera, annoying. Phone in my pocket too. That's a fire extinguisher, more fire extinguishers. That scared the shit out of me. What's this? Oh yeah, the kitchen. I'm guessing. It's a mad spot. It's a pretty good spot. So what's this? Pull, squeeze. Yeah, alright. It's a good photo. It's a good photo. I like that one. This must be the office then. Yeah, another office. Got some photos of it too. Plain. This is cool. This is what they did. Used to cut down wood and shit. It's nice. Some benches over here. What's this over here? Dude, you gotta be mindful too. Yeah. It's a pretty cool spot. I hope Mel pulls up. I really do. This is a big part. This is massive. Some pipes. Power box, it looks like. Got some bolts. Shit. More bolts. Power box. Not a bad room. Shed. What's this? I reckon this is to open the shed. Yeah, battery volts. Sick. I think that's the way out. We'll open that. It's like a random chair there. No, I'm not going to do that. thinking about it, but so we could put it in the roof. Because you know how it is when I'm in the roof. What is this white shit? Well, it's yellow, not white. Do not know. I think this is the last building. Here a car coming. Just gotta book it. Yeah. It's like a whole generator. Don't know what that is. Some cotton candy. Ugh. Oh, it's that. Probably shouldn't bring that shit in. Just get out of this room. Oh shit, that's slippery. Just realised that's what that shit is. There's another one. Oh, what's in here? This is the kitchen. This is where you do your lunch breaks and smoke ice. For sure. Coat hangers. Some more liquid shit. I don't know what it is. I will edit this down a bit. Bathroom. Pretty cool bathroom. Wow, this is actually a big spot. It's a pretty cool spot too. There's the wood they cut up over there. I didn't go any closer to it because I don't know if someone will rock up soon. What the fuck is this? There's an office. That's an office for sure. What are these? Oh, the bins. Like, boring. I thought that was something cool. This is an office. Air conditioner. There it is. Wow. This is sick. Yeah, we explored it all. Alright. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm gonna leave now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Anyway, guys, I just found something really interesting. This is where they hang the tools, where they draw. That's sick. That's cool. I'm taking a photo of that one. That's really cool. I like that a lot. That's really sick. Yeah, I just thought that would be interesting to show you. But now it's time to actually get out of here. Peace, guys.